Hi, Professor. I'm here with my son, Landon, and today I'm going to be administering the Ages and Stages 60-month questionnaire. You ready to get started, Landon? All right. So I'm going to ask you a few questions, and then we'll move on and do a couple activities, okay? How are you feeling today?
Good.
Good. I'm so happy to hear that. Landon, what do you do when you're hungry?
I eat
I eat. I like to eat when I'm hungry too. What do you like to eat?
chips.
Chips. Landon, what do you do when you're tired?
I lay on the couch.
All right. All right, Landon. So I'm going to read you a sentence, and then I want you to listen to what I read you, and I want you to repeat it back to me, okay? All right. Al read the blue book under his bed. Your turn.
Al read the blue book under his bed.
Wonderful job, Landon. All right, the next one. Jane hides her shoes for Maria to find.
Jane tied her shoes for Maria to find.
Wonderful job, Landon. Okay, and turn the page. All right, Landon. So do you see this black line on my paper? Okay, I'm going to give you your pencil. Can you do me a favor? Can you trace the black line on your own? Wonderful job. All right, now I'm going to give you a piece of paper, Landon, and I'm going to ask you to draw a picture of a boy or a girl. Okay? Go ahead and draw your picture. You're doing such a great job. Are you all finished? Are you still working? Still working? Okay,
Done.
you're done. Now, did you draw a boy or a girl?
Boy.
A boy. I love your picture. Wonderful job. All right, Landon. So now I'm going to draw. This is Landon's picture. I'm going to use my black marker and I'm going to draw a line across my paper. Okay? Do you know how to use scissors, Landon? Yeah. All right, I brought some special baseball scissors for you to use today. And I'm going to ask that you use the scissors to cut on the black line all the way across the paper. Okay? Wow, you're so quick. How many pieces of paper do you have now?
2.
2 pieces. Great job. Okay, I'll take the scissors. Now, do you see these shapes on my paper here? Do you know this shape?
Plus sign.
Plus sign,
Square.
a square,
And a triangle.
and a triangle. Do you think you can draw those shapes in the open space here? Okay. Wonderful job. Thank you so much. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to look at these letters. Do you know these letters? What's that letter?
VHTCA.
Wonderful. I'm going to cover up the letters except for the first one. And I want to see if you can write it in the open space here. Okay, now I'm going to move my paper and you're going to try and write the next letter. Wonderful writing. You're doing such a great job. Okay, and the last letter. Wonderful work. Now what I'm going to do in this space here, Landon, is I'm going to write your first name. Landon. Now I'm going to ask if you can write your name in the space below. Can you do that for me? Wonderful. Now we're going to move on to some problem solving. Okay, we're going to look at these 3 circles. I'll go ahead and take your pencil. I'm going to ask that you use your finger, your pointer finger, and can you point to the smallest circle that you see? All righty, great job. How about the largest circle? Wonderful. Okay, now I brought a basket full of goodies. Okay, so I'm going to reach in and I'm going to pull out one of the objects and I want to see if you can tell me the color of each of them, okay? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. First is a ball. Can you tell me what color the ball is?
Red.
It's red. And then I have a little plastic egg. What color is the egg?
Yellow.
Yellow. And I like to play golf, so I added a golf ball. What color is my golf ball?
White.
It's white. And I like to highlight all my work with this highlighter. Do you know what color this is?
Pink.
It's pink. You're correct. And my favorite healthy snack is the apple. What color is my apple?
Green.
Green. And I brought my magnetile. What color is that magnetile?
Orange.
Orange. You're right. And I have a couple blocks here, little Lincoln connecting blocks. Do you know what color those blocks are?
Blue.
Blue. And I have one more for you. Avocado. The skin on my avocado is what color?
Black.
Black. Wonderful job. High five. You did an awesome job. All righty. Now we're moving on to the next section. Do you know how to count? You do? Can you count 1 to 15?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Perfect. Wonderful. Now we're gonna talk about opposites. I'm gonna read you a sentence and I want you to fill in the blank with the opposite word, okay? All right, here we go. A cow is big and a mouse is
Small.
small. Okay. Ice is cold and fire is
Hot.
We see stars at night and we see the sun during the
Day.
When I throw the ball up, it comes
Down.
down. All right, Landon. All right. Do you see these numbers here? Okay. Do you know the name of this number?
3.
Do you know the name of this
1.
one?
2.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Now I'm going to write your name And I want you to identify the letters. Do you know the names of the letters in your name? Okay, what's this letter?
L
Okay.
A N D O N.
Wonderful. All right, Landon, that concludes our session for today. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, high five. Thank you.